Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make your own pepper soup spice mix at home. Pepper soup spice mix is a blend of different spices and herbs that are commonly used in African cuisines, especially in Nigeria. It adds a lot of flavor and aroma to your soups. You can use it for chicken pepper soup, goat meat pepper soup, fish pepper soup, and much more. Let me show you how to make it. To make this pepper soup spice mix, you will need the following ingredients. You can find most of these spices and herbs at your local African or Asian grocery stores, or you can order them online for your convenience. For the benefit of those who are not familiar with these spices, I am going to zoom up close so you see and know the spices for yourself. I have here cumin seed, country onion, alligator pepper. This is how you get out the seeds of the alligator pepper. Cloves, calabash nutmeg, cinnamon stick. I have here scent leaf, Indian fruit popularly known as uyayak in Nigeria, rosemary, and some dried lemongrass. The first step is to roast all the spices and herbs in a dried pot on medium heat for 10 minutes. As you can see here, I took out my Uru calabash nutmeg. I'm going to roast this separately. And I went ahead to roast the other spices, stirring occasionally until they are fragrant and slightly brown. This process will help to release their oil and enhance their flavor. Be careful not to burn them or they will become bitter. And I transferred the roasted spices and herbs to a blender. Then went ahead to roast the calabash nutmeg. This is how it should look after roasting. And I cracked open the shell to get the nuts out. And this is how the nuts should look when you get them all out. And I went on to add them to the blender. I add the scent leaf, added some Indian fruit, and I went ahead to blend. You might need to do this in batches depending on the size of your blender or spice grinder. And look what we have here. It's not fine because I have whole seeds and nuts. The country onion is in there. I didn't break it up, so I have to sieve this and blend again until I get a smooth powder. If you have a strong blender, I'm sure you're going to get a smooth powder on the first blend, but my blender isn't that strong, so I'm going to blend again until I get a smooth powder. And then we will move to the final step, which is to mix the blended spices and herbs with the powder spices and herbs. For the final step, I add in 2 tablespoons of Cameroon pepper for hotness, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of chili pepper, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And I mix it up to combine them together. And our pepper soup spice mix is ready. You can store this in an airtight container and keep it in a cool, dry place for up to 6 months and in the refrigerator for up to a year. The beauty about making your own spice mix is that you have control over what ingredients goes into it. And there is always this confidence when cooking, knowing all the benefits and goodness you're putting into your soups. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you will love this other video. I'll see you in the next one.